Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another week of groceries on our pantry challenge, low spend month. Today is Thursday. I had to think about that. I had to run into Safeway because I have a Walmart and a Fred Meyer, which is my Kroger delivery coming, but because we had ice and snow and lots of ice, they got delayed. So I decided to have my husband just take me into Safeway today because it was a little bit safer. And I'll show you what I got. I just grabbed a few produce and dairy and stuff like that. Not much, but let me show you what I got. So I spent $23.86. I grabbed a milk, even though it's on sale at Kroger, and I have 2 gallons from Kroger coming. It was fine. I think this is just maybe $1 more than there, but I needed milk because my kids have actually been in a cereal phase. And they go through phases. If you have kids, you know. And I think even us as adults, we go through phases. So we ran out of milk. We used up like all our shelf stable milk and all that. So there's that. Coffee creamer, I had $1 off. I do have almost 50 pounds of purple potatoes, but I needed some russet potatoes for like zuppa toscana and stuff like that. So this was $1.98 for 5 pounds. Celery is a must. I ran out. Our bunny likes celery and I use it in almost every soup I make. Carrots have been a thing that my kids have been going through, and I'm totally out. I have more coming from Walmart if that order actually gets delivered. So I just grabbed 1 bag of carrots, and I believe this was $2.29. I got some lettuce for our bunny. She likes romaine. I just got her this because there was no romaine. The shelves were pretty bare and wiped out. Bananas, and then their oranges are, I think, 59 or 69 cents a pound, first 4 pounds. This is 4 pounds. These are like oranges gone on steroids, I think. They're massive. So like 2 or 3 people can eat out of 1 orange. Cucumbers, because we just ate ours. And these are 59 cents each for the rest of the month. So this is what I got for just under $23, right? Is that correct? No, for just over $23. So under $24. Like I said, I have 2 orders. I will see if they actually get delivered or not. They rescheduled it 3 times. So if they do, that's great. If not, I will probably go in and get some more stuff once the weather allows. So let me put this away and then I will see you next time I get grocery. Okay, here is my Kroger haul. My little haul, it finally came. I'm so excited. There was a few things missing, but that's okay. This was $30 and I believe 62 cents. I got 2 gallons of milk. I got 2 bags of their Cara oranges because they were on sale. Bananas, the mayo was on sale, and I don't have any more in my stockpile. So I grabbed 2 because we really like the mayo with olive oil. This was on sale and I use it all the time, so I grabbed that. And then we actually used the last of our paper towels, and these were on sale, so I grabbed 2 sets. So this is what I got for under $31 at Kroger. And I do have a Walmart order that is supposed to come. It's been rescheduled a few times, just like my Kroger haul was. I'm really hoping it's going to come soon. And when it does, I'll show you what I got. So it's Saturday and I have a Costco haul for you guys. A small haul, but nevertheless a Costco haul. It was $21.84. Originally, it was supposed to be more because I had waters and other stuff that I had gotten to get the free delivery fee, but they were out, so they still didn't charge me, so I just paid $21.84. We needed to get romaine lettuce, and then I also got more carrots, and then I got tortillas because I've been out of flour tortillas and I want to make like enchiladas and quesadillas and stuff like that. What happened was I was supposed to have a Walmart haul that was supposed to be around $40. Well, that got delayed because of the ice storm. And my backyard is still full of ice, like it's all white and ice. It got delayed and then they just never updated. So I finally called them. I go, it's been a few days, it's been delayed. When is it going to get delivered? They're like, it's not. I don't know what happened. So they canceled my order and then they said that I can just go ahead and reorder everything, but then it wouldn't get delivered till Monday. So I just canceled that order and made a little haul here. These were the important things, and then I'll just buy it. I wanted to get like some limes and lemons and other stuff, but I'll just buy it next week once the ads change. But yes, this is my little Costco haul.